You're a loser. Next.
I wasn't expecting that. Today's video is a CoinOps add-on pack for the Trackball. So as you see in the lower right-hand corner, we're going to be taking my cheap little $30 Trackball, hooking it up to a computer this time. If you want to hook it up to Raspberry Pi, I did an instructional video on that previously. But my CoinOps, once you drag and drop this, the MAME was the controls were already set up, but you can hit tab on your keyboard to customize any controls you want. But this was plug and play, and as you see, it had a ton of fun games. Everything from Golden Tee to Marble Madness and some even more gems that you could check out right now. We have our CoinOps NEXT Arcade Trackball add-on by King Root. It's only 1.5 gigabytes. And you just want these two files here, collections and emulators. Let's go ahead and put it on our CoinOps NEXT build. Control V. I have my trackball hooked up via USB into my computer. There we go, Trackball Classics. World Class Bowling, World Class Bowling Deluxe, US Classic Golf, World Cup Soccer, Teed Off, Super League, Spiker, Snake Pit, Simpsons Bowling, Horseshoes, ooh, Shuffleboard. Oh yeah, this arcade game rerun down. Sega. Some Sonic Action, Reactor. Never played that one before. Never played this one before either. Rambo 3. I mean, this game, I feel like the controller works just great for that, but whatever. Quantum. Pound for Pound. Interesting. Missile Command. Ooh, Mini Golf. I want to try that one out. Millipede. Marble Madness, a classic. Major League Baseball. Major Havoc. Kick. Unicycle, collecting balloons. The Irritating Maze. Ooh. Oh. That looks interesting. Some football. All right, now we got all our Golden Tees. You got complete Golden Tee 2K and 99. You got Give Me a Break, Billiards, Soccer, Fire Beast, Dunk Shot, Crystal Castles, another pool game, Combat School, looks interesting, or bowling, Centipede, Capcom Bowling, Cabal, Blades of Steel, more golf games, Birdie King 123, Big Event Golf, Beezers, interesting, Attacks, you got your arcade class. I believe there's multiple games in this one. It's Missile Command and like one other game. Darts, Horseshoes, and back to bowling. So let's go ahead and just load one. Let's try the Simpsons Bowling. And then player one button is either gun or mouse. Oh, you can use the mouse, or keyboard is Control and Alt. Okay, so it's already set up pretty well then. Wow. Oh, what are you supposed to do? Wait for green. Oh, okay, you gotta roll it. That makes sense. Nice. Nice. So yeah, it works good. All right, let's. Okay. Oh. What? Wait for me, bro. Oh. Oh. Boom.
Ready, go!
Was that the end of the freaking level and I ruined it?
Checkpoint.
Whew.
Ready, go!
Oh. At least I got a checkpoint, bro.
Ready, go! Steady, you're about to enter the S curve again.
Alright, let's try Arcade Classics. I think you get to play Centipede, Super Centipede, or... I'm gonna use my regular mouse for this. In case you guys are wondering. Let me move it over here. Ooh. Because I have both mouse or mice hooked up right now. So, you know, I just have them both on my computer. So both of them are using the mouse. You just don't want to hit. You can have multiple devices hooked up because it's a computer, you know. Ooh, I thought I was a little higher up. Come on, bro. But absolutely, I can use my keyboard and my trackball, or be a trackball with a button on it. You got a lot of options. So I don't understand, why is this one so slower? Oh wow, it speeds up when you get to that last guy. Oh, I thought I had an ammo. So this game, you can play with your mouse, kind of boring with your mouse, so let's go back to the trackball here. Look at that, just enough. Alright, let's... Alright, so missile command. I want to try the mini golf. So the thing about Golden Tee and why I'm not playing it in this video is this trackball is not that great for Golden Tee. You want to upgrade to a nicer trackball that has the longer throw on it. I'll put a link to that in the description though if you're interested. So I have no idea what's going to happen here. Interesting. Okay, so this game, you literally just fling it in the direction you want. There's no other buttons, it looks like. But I like how simple that is. Like, if I hit player 1 button, it does nothing. Player 2 button. Ooh! Get in the hole! Why don't you get in the hole? You still... Oh, wow. That was just luck. I mean, I'll try it. I don't think it's gonna work right. And then do we just thrust it? Oh, okay, that worked pretty good.
Looks pretty from here.
Over to golfer 1.
No reason for a bad shot here.
I see. You can actually use your mouse for this too. I was using my mouse. It's not as good to thrust your mouse.
Golfer 1. He's on the fairway. Over to golfer 1. He's in the first cut. That made the green. Golfer 1 trying for bogey. Golfer 1 trying for pleasure.
Woo!
Fire! Fire! Go!
Oh, Joe, no. No. Oh, too bad. Oh. Alright. Firing range, this is what I wanted.
Fire! 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 Go home to your mother, Nick. Done.
Go home to your mother. Alright, so at this point I've showed you, a fighting game, a golf game. I didn't play the horseshoe game, I didn't play the dart game, there's also a soccer game. But I played a bowling game, we played Centipede, we played Missile Command, we played The Simpsons Bowling, we played Sonic, and as you see here, there's a lot more games to discover. The trackball is cool, and you can definitely put this in an arcade cabinet if you have a tank stick, or you have a standalone, or if you buy, a whole arcade cabinet with a trackball on it. These are definitely cool to have. It's a novelty, but it's a cool novelty in my opinion. It's definitely a different experience than what a controller will do or analog sticks will do. So for those reasons, I think it's pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and let you know which kit this exactly is for CoinOps, so you can add it to your CoinOps collection. And then also I'll put a link to a couple trackballs that work really well for a lot of these titles. So that's what I think. Let me know what you all think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.